Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, isosolve natin tong reflected XSS into HTML content with nothing encoded. So this lab contains a simple reflected cross-site scripting vulnerability in the search functionality. To solve the lab, perform a cross-site scripting attack that calls the alert function. Okay? So tingnan natin, access natin yung lab. And ito na yung search functionality kagad, no? So let's see paano ba gumagana tong search functionality, no? So let's do 1, 2, 3. And search. Ayan. So mukhang nare-reflect lang yung ating inputs, no? So try natin. Maglagay tayo ng symbols, let's say ganyan. And send. Ayan. And mukhang nare-reflect lang din, no? And make sure natin, view source natin. Tingnan natin, yung input natin ay directly na nandyan, no? Hindi siya na-encode or anything, no? So, pwede natin gawin is mag-input lang tayo ng script, alert, script, then pinunta tayo ng search, and medyo mabagal, but let's see. And ayan, nag-trigger na yung ating alert. So, let's see, nawala siya dito, pero kapag i-view source natin, ayan siya, no? So, na-trigger natin yung script alert script natin dito. Okay? And na-solve na natin yung log. Okay? So, I hope na-gets nyo itong video na to and see you in the next video.